everyone. Got a 2018 BMW 740. This is how you reset the service reminders. Got the car off right now. To get it into the service menu, we need to start by keeping your foot off the brake and hit the engine start stop button 3 times pretty quick. 1, 2, 3. This will power up the cluster. And it will go through service dues and all the messages here. We're waiting for a mileage and trip to pop up. All right, now we're gonna go over here to this button here and press and hold it down. All right, we cannot reset the oil change in this car due to the date and the miles and things like that, but we should be able to reset the brake fluid or something. So when you get to the menu or the service that you want to reset, press and hold the button down. Let go, press it again, hold it down. Reset in progress, keep holding it down. Okay, reset successful. You're just gonna do that with every service it lets you do, okay? Usually it's the oil change, okay? But this car has already had it done. So, but that's it with the reset. I hope it helped you out. And if you could leave me a comment or hit the like button, I'd really appreciate it. Hope to see you again in another video.